The Dreamcatcher Science Program is important to bring it out to rural communities who don't always have the same opportunities for the STEM outreach programs, to get them energized and excited about science, technology, math, and engineering. We host these workshops on college campuses so that the students can see themselves, envision themselves coming to college someday, and they'll already have experience with being on the college campuses within their areas.
So here's a picture of a polarizer right here. So one of those sheets, the polarization direction is one direction. Here it's vertical. But what's different about this program is we're actually showing the kids how to apply what they're learning in the science classroom and expose them to the different technologies that are out there and show them what's possible.
Set, go. Right. I want it to go forward. I want it to turn left. I want it to, right, so draw that out. Just start doing that. Set, go.